Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, this video I'll show how to change your background image color or change watermarks. So previous video I'm just change page color. So this project is empty. I'm just close this project and open new documents. So guys, I'm click blank documents. So select image design sections and right side click watermark. Now this is the watermark or page color and page border. This is the page border line and apply margin. Okay, so page background. So guys, I'm click watermark and select custom watermark. Okay, so picture watermark and select picture. So from computer or Bing search. So I'm search Bing and subscribe PNG and hit enter. So guys, I'm insert this file. Okay, Windows enable JPG internet format. Okay, or EDO. So guys, now I'm just computer file, upload a file. Okay, just click download and select the ice cream. Okay, this ice cream, select instant and click apply and close. So guys, this girl is just eating ice cream. So subscribe our channel. I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel and press all notification. So goodbye.